So after editing, retouching, color grading your image to perfection or to your taste, all you just have to do is click this button, save, and your image will automatically save to the assigned folder you selected. So I'll show you guys how we activated this button. This is called um action action buttons. So these action buttons were actually recorded by me, so to make my workflow easy, faster, and smooth. So after editing and taking all those hours editing my image, I don't have to waste time exporting and looking for means to export. I just have to click a particular button and my image will export automatically. So that's why I have this action here. Okay, first you have to go to your actions. You have to open actions, go to button mode. Once you go to button mode, then you record, create new action, you name it, save anything, TikTok, IG, anything. So this is actually the best way to save your images online. TikTok. Okay, let's use TikTok. So let's record. What you have to do is go to file, go to export, go to save for web. Yes, save for web, because this image will be used digitally, that's online on social media platforms and all that. So you go to save for web, then yes, you choose JPEG, high quality. Yes, so by the um left hand side there, you'll be seeing the volume of your image. So this is like 20 MB. So if you want to reduce it a bit, you can reduce it. If you want to increase it, you can increase it. So we'll just take it down to maybe like 15, 18. That's just the like size I love saving my images with. Yeah, like 15 MB is okay. Then you go to progression. Okay, no, then you choose optimized, not progressive, optimized. Then yes, very high. We don't need blur. Then for quality, you can use Bicubic sharper, yeah, so that it can add like more sharpness to your image. Then for preview, internet standard, yes, no color management, just internet standard. So that's why we are exporting it this way. Then all you have to do is click save. Then you select a particular folder you want it to save. So for this case, we'll use desktop. Then we'll create a folder in our desktop. So save also. Then create. Then we do save. Now everything is ready. Then you go back to your button mode. Okay, then you pause the recording or stop recording. Then go back to button mode. Go to our save. We created this action together. Save TikTok. Then click on it. Then go to that folder which we selected. Is here. So that's it. That's the fastest way to save your image.